If you use the argument from design, which I think is a discredited argument, if you looked for the evidence of a creator from design, you'd have an easier time proving the existence of Satan than you would of a divine and benevolent and all-loving God. It'd be far easier to say that this was designed by someone with an extremely unpleasant sense of humor. I don't like it. The argument from design naturally will teach. It will teach that the devil made the world. The evidence is all around us. Are you happy now? Not really. These people are total strangers to any concept of intellectual honesty.
Maybe he brought you here to die again.
What kind of God would do something like that?
The one we've got.